Oh, we got these nasty functions. Look at these. We're going to look at the tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. This one right here is a secant. You guys remember your trig? I hope. So the formulas tell us that the derivative of secant is, correct me if I'm wrong, it's been a while. I think this one is, is it one? No. Okay, secant is 1 over cosine. You are right. But what is the derivative? That's what this means. What is the derivative of secant?
So you plug in that number inside cosine?
First, we have to do the derivative of secant. Isn't the derivative of secant secant times cosecant?
No.
Times secant.
What is that? Was it? Ha! I was just seeing if you guys are paying attention. So we got to multiply this by tangent. And that's what it is. This is the derivative of secant. It is secant tangent. And so since we're finding the derivative at 11 pi over 6, now we have to plug in 11 pi over 6. So let's do that. So secant of 11 pi over 6. And we have to multiply it times tangent of 11 pi over 6. Oh, snap. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like everything in sine and cosine. So we're going to use what Z told us. Secant is 1 over cosine. So we're going to say 1 over cosine of 11 pi over 6. And we're going to multiply it times sine of 11 pi over 6 divided by cosine of 11 pi over 6. Okay, now we got to do a trig review. You guys remember trig? Okay, so 11 pi over 6. Okay, so if I go all the way around and I'm dividing everything by, in sixes, I believe this would be like, this would be pi over 6. This one right here would be 2 pi over 6. This would be 3 pi over 6. And this would be 4 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6. And then this one's 6 pi over 6. It should simplify to 1 pi, right? And then if I go a little, I won't go faster. I'll keep going like this. So this would be 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, which is the one we care about. And then this is 12 pi over 6, which simplifies to 2 pi, right? A complete revolution is 2 pi. So what are the coordinates of this point right here? You guys remember? It is rad 3 over 2 and 1/2. Yeah, and one of these is negative. Which one is that? The y is negative, the 1/2. Okay, that is the coterminal. Is it coterminal? No. I forgot the trig name. Like this guy right here is related to him. See, if I wrote the coordinates of that one, it's rad 3 over 2, and that's 1/2. What's that called? Oh, they have a similar reference angle? Is that it? Or whatever. It doesn't matter. So this one right here is cosine, and this is sine. This is cosine of 11 pi over 6, and this is sine of 11 pi over 6. So we just got to do our substitution and plug that stuff in. So this one right here is rad 3 over 2. This one is rad 3 over 2. And then our numerator, this guy's going to be negative 1/2. Okay. I'm going to choose to multiply the 1 by the negative 1/2 and this by this. And I want to do that because I know that I see the square roots will cancel out. Is there another way to do this? Yeah, you can go a different route here, but that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, 1/2 divided by, and what do we get when we go rad 3 times rad 3? 3, that's right. Good job, guys, because it's rad 9, right? Rad 3 times rad 3 is rad 9. The square root of 9 is 3. And then we have 2 times 2, which is 4. So now we have two fractions that are dividing each other. Do you guys remember what to do when fractions are dividing each other? Multiply by the reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 3 over 4? These simplify out right here. I get negative 2 over 3, and we're done. So pretty.